Oh God, where are you? Chimnebekino. Life is so harsh on me, oh. So painful, so painful.
Mr. Ed,
yes.
My sister can't stop talking about you.
Oh.
Your voice rings in her head.
Oh, really? Oh, that's it. Okay.
Who's she? Why didn't you say anything? Why, when she asked you who I was, why didn't you say a word?
No, babe,
why didn't you? I thought for a second that you've abandoned me.
I'm taking you to the city.
You leave this place.
Can you imagine your part of your body where the sun is hitting? It's like this. Can you imagine the places that sun doesn't touch?
Aren't you tired of wanting to defy a defenseless blind girl?
You actually look gorgeous. And sometimes I ask myself, why should a girl as beautiful as you are walk around blind?
I said, what are you doing here?
Mom, I'm just... Mama Amara, good morning, ma.
I don't want your greetings because there's nothing good will ever come from a blind bat like you.
Oh, baby.
What are you doing here?
I came to spend the weekend with you.
Who did you call before coming to my house?
Why are you staring at me?
How do you know I was staring at you?
I may be blind, but I can feel, and my sensitivity...
Idiot! He's going to feel the rot this time. I'll make him go to jail for a very, very long time. I promise you that.
Get out of my house! Don't everyone here! Don't touch me! You should have known I'm dating a slut.
Don't go violent on him right now.
Good night, get mine! Go block that water engineer. Go block my view. Good night, get mine. Block my view. What is that one thing that is stopping you from dealing with that useless boy once and for all? Amadi, let me you the raise shoulder for. Amadi, Longinus they stand before you. You raise shoulder. Amadi, I go lie to you. Person, we won't shoot person. You know they talk too much. If you want to shoot me, shoot me. Don't say you be man. If you're man enough, shoot me. Amadi!
He is known in this village as a very notorious person. We all know him. Everyone knows him. He carries guns.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.